In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3115 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have bring it up, please navigate directly to the search bar and type for Epson L3115 printer driver. So here, the moment you've clicked on the enter key, you will be able to find a list of results. Please proceed to the first one, which is under epson.com. Click on this link, and eventually you would be navigated to the page where you can get to see the driver. Okay, so once it is being ready, please proceed to downloads. Click on this one to refresh the page and wait until you can get to see a drop down menu where you can manually select your operating system or OS. Okay. So it asks here, please choose an OS. So click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. However, if Windows 11 is not available because this printer driver is not available for Windows 11, don't worry, please choose for Windows 10 64-bit because Windows 10 64-bit works well 100% for Windows 11. So click on go, and in that way you will be able to refresh the page again. Wait until everything would be set for you again here in this page. So click on this downloads and wait until you can get to see the driver where you can download the file which contains our printer driver for this Epson L3115. Okay, so once it's here, you would be able to see a printer driver. All you need to do is you need to click on this download here, and eventually you would be able to see a window where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on the accept, and in that way you can now start the download. Okay? So once you are done, you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and there you can see the exe file that you have downloaded. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so once you are here, you need to make a right click and click on the cat icon. And once you have clicked on it, please close all of the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract 2 and kindly wait until it would be finished for you. So once a new file folder has been shown here at the desktop, we need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So we will now start the installation of this printer driver. Okay, so you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with the Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one, and eventually here at the Bluetooth and devices. Okay, we just have to wait first until it would be showing up here. Okay, eventually here you need to proceed with printers and scanners. Click on this one, and you will be able to see an option here in the side, add device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on this one and wait until a new window would be showing up here in the screen. Once a window has been shown, please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. And you need to click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this port is very important because you need to select the correct port. So select any of this USB port. It could be 1, 2, or 3. Once you have set the correct port, please click on Next. And you need to go with Have Disk and click on Browse. Since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. Click on this one. The moment you've clicked on it, you need to scroll down, okay? And navigate to this file, double tap here, and it will show up here, double tap until you can get to see this two drivers. So select any of these two. This functions similarly, so no worries for that. So click on OK, and it will be showing up here. So just have to rename that into L3115. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next, click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3115 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.